Hey guys, today I'm going to walk you through how to create basically an Instagram story highlight in Canva. It's pretty simple, pretty quick, so hopefully this will help you get going. So first off, we're going to create a new design in Canva. So I'm logged in. Use custom dimensions, and I've got it set for 1080 by 1920, which is the size for an Instagram story. And hit design, and let's add a background. So I'm just going to make this a color instead of an image. You can do whatever you want though. You change it to whatever color you need, and then we're going to go to uploads, and here you're going to upload some icons. So I get a lot of things off of Creative Market. That's where you can find all kinds of goods for graphics. You can find, icons like these. You can even find ready-made story icons if you're not feeling DIY. But basically, you're going to find some, purchase them, and download them. And then you'll upload them here. And let me find the ones that I've already uploaded. Okay, so here's a couple that I've added. So I'm going to resize it so then it fits appropriately. Add what this highlight is for. And maybe I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. And change the color. And that's pretty much your highlight right there. You'll want to just kind of play with a little trial and error and see what size looks best to fit inside the little circle on Instagram. And then to make more, you can simply duplicate this and add the next icon and just size it, similar to the first one, and edit your words. And then to simply download, you click the download button and just hit all pages, and it'll download all the files, and then you can upload them to your stories and save them as your highlight and set them as your cover. Hopefully that helps. Let me know if you have any questions.